Welcome to this video. Today I'll show you how to buy a domain from GoDaddy, step by step. Whether you're starting a website, a blog, or an online business, securing the right domain name is an essential first step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to GoDaddy.com. This is one of the most popular domain registrars, offering a wide range of domain extensions and additional services. On the home page, you'll find a search bar. Type in the domain name you want to register and click Search. If the domain is available, you'll see an option to click to claim. If it's taken, GoDaddy will suggest alternative domain names. Choose the one that fits your needs. Once you've selected a domain, go to Cart. Then click on Continue to Cart. GoDaddy may offer additional services like domain privacy protection, email hosting, and website hosting. Review these options and decide if you need them. If you only want the domain, proceed to checkout. To complete the purchase, you'll need a GoDaddy account. If you already have one, log in. Otherwise, click Create an account and enter your details. Select how many years you want to register the domain for. Typically, you can choose from 1 year up to 10 years. Next, enter your payment details. GoDaddy accepts credit cards, PayPal, and other payment methods. Review your order, make sure everything is correct, then click Complete Purchase. After the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email. To access your domain, go to your GoDaddy dashboard and click My Products. From here, you can find and manage your domain settings, update DNS records, and connect it to a website. That's it. You now own a domain name from GoDaddy. If you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing for more tech tutorials.